for a very long time. Please come. At a mandir over here called Ramdevi Mandir. From the year I think 1981 to 1994 till he left his body. And he used to teach it to just about 20-25 people at the most. And nobody in the world knew what he was doing. This was taught to him by his divine master when he was 7 years of age. So it's not been some physical thing handed down, it's been handed down not in the physical thing. What we are doing now is to try to give it out to everybody, and because hundreds and hundreds of people have been benefiting over the years, and it is our responsibility now to take it out and give it to everybody. Whoever wants to practice it, it just takes in the beginning 9 minutes a day, and what my master said, you will achieve total health. Total health means not just physically being healthy, emotionally and mentally being healthy. I may be physically very fit, I could run the Mumbai Marathon, but the moment that you say something to me and I don't like it, I'll get angry. That's not being healthy. And we never look at that. We only look at the physical fitness. We do not put in the effort to find out that if all of the things being equal, why did he get a heart attack and why did I not get a heart attack? Why did he succumb to cancer and not me? If all of the things being equal, if you're in the same city, same pollution, the same lifestyle, there's something internally which is creating the disease, not the physical factors. And this is a deep science to be understood. The science was put in objective form by a sage called Patanjali. And although the world believes him to be the founder of yoga, which is correct, but what the world doesn't know is the 5th book of the Yoga Sutra, which talks about how the human being in his present form, whatever his circumstances, may live a life of total health by reaching out to the master inside, not some guru outside. And this is what has been taught to us, and this is what we are trying to spread. And the first side effect that happens is you get health. That's the first benefit that happens. But the journey doesn't stop there. The journey is about self-realization, meeting with your own real self. That is where it ends. It starts with good health. Right? So that sounds a little bit interesting, and of course in one session I can't explain too much. That is why I take different sessions around the city, but mostly in the suburbs. So what the format is that you come for the first session, like this one is for beginners. This will last for 2 hours, 3:30 to 5:30 over here, every 3rd Friday of the month. You learn the basics, how to breathe correctly for all 24 hours, and a set of 6 refining exercises, 6 breathing exercises, which we call the refining exercises. Having learned these 2 things, how to breathe correctly for all the 24 hours of the day, of course that will not happen immediately. Start practicing first. Come back. And a set of 6 breathing exercises, which done daily will give you immense energy and will wash away whatever ailments present and future. This is I'm speaking from my own experience. I've been doing Sri Chandra for the past 18 years. I began when I was 25 years of age. And since that day I have not missed out on a single day of doing my exercises. And can't talk much about it, but I'm the only one who knows internally how much I have got from wherever I'm supposed to get. And my own personal experience combined with whatever has been taught to me is what enables me to go around doing this. So I take sessions every day in the morning at 5 o'clock at Khar, every Saturday evening at Khar again, one session in the month at Juhu, one session in the month at Bandra, this over here, and the one at Kandivali. So we have these, and one more at Kandivali. These are all free sessions. This session is at the health library. The place has been given to us free of cost because we do not have any monies being charged to anybody. The place, health library, has its own membership and whatever that she was showing on the presentation. You're free to inquire with them whatever their system is. But 3-step rhythmic breathing is completely free of cost. There are no charges now or in the future ever. They will always be free. It always has been free, always be free. We have a website called www.3srb.org. 3 the number 3, S for sugar, R for Roger, B for breath, .org, in which whatever I may miss out in explanations and theories today, you can go to the website and have a look. All information is there, much more than what we will speak about now. Also, whatever we learn today, you may forget tomorrow morning. The practicals in the form of a video are also there on the website. Whatever we learn today, the right way of breathing, is also going to entail some kind of an audio thing, which I will explain now. So all the resources which are required for you to practice daily and keep upgrading your system, please come to see, are on the website.
Sorry,
No, please don't say that. Come. Please make space for the couple. Volunteers are there 24 hours a day for any help that you may need. Of course, you don't know what I'm talking about right now, what help you need anyway. But there are questions. People want to practice perfectly. We will learn now, and then whatever questions that are there, we will look at them in the course of the next 1.5 hours, I suppose. You could learn 2 things. The ones who came in late, you missed the introduction, but that's quite okay. As we go along now, the point is to learn the practice. The website www.3srb.org has all theories explained, all the possible explanations are there. And whatever that you have missed out now, you can always have a look at the website, or you can come back and you haven't missed much. The important thing begins now. We learn 2 things. How to breathe correctly for about 24 hours. And when I say correctly, somebody may dispute that, but just trust me for now. And there is an ad on television which says, "Melody khao, khud jaan jao." My master said the proof of the pudding
is in eating.
is in eating it, right? So once we experience something for our own self, then we do not ever question that experience. If we feel good from within. The whole point is, we do not feel good, there's always something missing. No matter how much we've achieved, no matter what we've done in life, whatever our achievements, our state of, our level of knowledge, our relationships, whatever that we eat, travel, drink, there's always a feeling of something is still missing, right? And that missing feeling is only about him. And once we when the hole closes, the gap closes, in life is that. This is an experience, it can't be spoken about much, that's what you experience it yourself. 3-step rhythmic breathing will start you off from good health and bring you up to this spiritual experience, maybe in this life, maybe in some other life, but I can give you a guarantee as my master has given that truth can be realized. What we'll do now is learn these two things, how to breathe correctly, that is the first thing. My master said that what Patanjali has written down and what has been the actual experience, like what he has been taught by his divine master. That the right way of breathing in, all the technical stuff I'll keep aside for now. As you keep coming back, we will learn more. But now we focus on the actual practice of it. We breathe in for 3 seconds and we breathe out for 2 seconds. That is the actual correct way of breathing. It makes it for 5 seconds of one breath cycle, correct? Totaling 12 cycles per minute. Patanjali said that the primary body of the human being on planet Earth and in this part of the universe breathes at 12 cycles per minute. The primary body, which is the real self, internal, not the physical body. The physical body breathes according to the emotion which is dominant. If I'm angry, my breath will be shallow and fast. If I'm relaxed, my breath will be deep and slow. And if I'm relaxed and the moment you say something to me, I will get angry immediately. My emotion will change. Consequently, my breath will change. And we are always in a state of restlessness with it. This restlessness produces all the ailments that happen to us. Just the word restlessness may not mean everything right now, may not explain everything. But once in a state of absolute, much more calmness than what is there right now, you will know what I'm talking about when I use the word restlessness. This is a state to be experienced. Right now I'm just giving you some theory about it. 12 cycles per minute is what the correct state of breathing has to be. How do we do that? Now the mind is such, it cannot focus on anything for more than 3 seconds. We try to pay attention and it goes off. Your bodies are here right now. But the mind is doing two things. One, it goes and filters right now. Whatever I'm saying, the filter is on. It says, yes, I know this. No, I don't think this is correct. The filter tries to explain everything by what it knows. Do I make sense by the word filter? The mind never for a moment stops or pauses and asks itself, but then how do I know what is the truth, what is right, what is wrong? I did not create myself. I did not create the body. I did not create the brain which is processing right now. If I did not create myself, on what basis can I say that whatever that I know is the truth? I am just a function, not just a human being, but just another function like everybody else is a function of a physical environment. I was born into existing stuff. I did not create any of it. And if I did not create any of it, what makes it think that it knows more than somebody else? This is the same planet, the same information is being present. This is what is in the Mahabharata called the state of Dhritarashtra, absolutely denial, state of blindness. This is what was in the Bible when it was said that it is far more easier for a poor man to reach heaven, but a rich man cannot reach heaven. Now, what did he mean by a rich man? The actual phrase was it is easier to something about the camel.
It is easier for a camel to go in the eye of a needle than
to the eye of the needle than for a rich man to
go to heaven.
attain to heaven. Now, what does it mean for a camel to go to the eye of the needle? It's a small thing. It means a rich man who lives with his self-absorbed knowledge. He doesn't know what the truth is. So a rich man never meant physical riches. The Bible never spoke about anything which is physical in nature. It only pointed to a hidden, silent reality. Now for this truth to be understood, this breath has to be in line. So how do we do this? 3-step rhythmic breathing. First step is rhythm, how to breathe correctly. Second is technique, how much or where to breathe, not how much. the lungs are the only organ which processes the air taken from the nose and sends that processed air extracting oxygen to the heart. Two systems go on continuously within our body. This respiratory system, which takes in air over here, goes to the lungs send it to the heart, and then we exhale the carbon dioxide back into the Earth's atmosphere. The heart, which has taken the processed air, sends it to all the cells of the body. These two functions are always on, as all of the functions of the body. These are primary functions. But what we, of course we do know this, but we've forgotten over the years, that the primary organ involved in the breathing apparatus is the diaphragm. And the diaphragm is over here. So Patanjali said, in order to lead a total life, breathe in totality, which means that you breathe in the entire lobe, the upper lobe and the lower lobe, the chest and the abdomen, because you breathe here at the diaphragm. Of course, the air is going to go into the lungs, to your nose, which is obviously undeniable. And 3, volume, how much to breathe. Patanjali said, keep your intake of air normal, which means throughout the day, the way that we go, if I am clear what I mean by this, if you keep your breath like this, your emotions will be like this. You will not experience the madness that you are all experiencing all the time. 3-step rhythmic breathing. First is rhythm, 3 seconds in, 2 seconds out. 2, where to breathe? In the entire lobe, upper lobe and lower lobe, chest and stomach. And 3, how much to breathe? Normal. Whatever is your normal in your state of calmness, not in your state of excitement. Having said this, can we practice this? Let's do this. Keep one hand on our chest, one hand on our abdomen. For the sake of practice, do not slouch in your chair. For the sake of practice, of course, this is to be done throughout the day. So it could be when you're sleeping, when you're lying in your chair, whatever. But for the sake of practice now, don't slouch. And I'll count for you. And pay attention to what I'm saying, the counting number, and breathe accordingly. Alright? We'll breathe in 1, 2, 3, and we'll breathe out 4, 5. There's one twist over here. Patanjali said that when the breath goes in and turns to come out, this is what the Buddha discovered. The space between 2 breaths. This is the most important thing. The space between 2 breaths, the same space as between 2 thoughts, is the same space as between life and death. But the Buddha got to that space. Now we will not be able to get to that space right now. So what we will do is, we will count in 1, 2, 3, and we will not count the 4. We will keep the 4 silent to remind us that the journey is not just for good health. It is for oneness with Him, our real self. And the day, in each day, every day, we are concerned with only our immediate requirements, which is fair enough. But let's not use the 4. We'll keep it silent. So what we'll do is, that is to remind us that our journey is of a different nature. We'll count in 1, 2, 3, and we'll breathe out 5, 6. We'll keep the 4 silent. That is a reminder to us that something else has to be looked for. If you wish to end the journey of continuous lives and deaths, then that 4 has to be done. I'll count for you. Let's just breathe in. Normal breath. Do not exaggerate the volume at all. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. No jerks. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Good. Now, as I said earlier, we cannot pay attention for more than 3 seconds. Our mind starts being. It is not going to be easy for us to keep counting in our heads and focusing on the breath. My master did a wonderful job by putting the breath, the sequence, the rhythm into a piece of music. What we do is we play the music all the time. It goes on in a corner of the house, of the car, of the office, and we keep doing our work, whatever we are doing, and the music is on. A part of the mind pays attention to the music and we breathe accordingly. I'll just show you how the music is. You have the 1, 2, 3 speaker. उसपे 1, 2, 3 है. What you can do, Pradeep, you can keep the phone there. ये आप उसमें डाल दो आपके फोन का जो जैक है. Come. Come. Yes, no. Slowly. Please make space for the ladies. What you can do is take a check if you want.
Where is Mr. Tawaglia?
Somewhere in the universe.
In US.
In the universe. He left his body in the year 1994. Can you hear the end? Same thing. One hand over here, one hand on the chest, one on the stomach. Just keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Just breathe in 1, 2, 3 and breathe out 5, 6. One hand on the chest, one hand on the stomach. Just breathe equally in the stomach and the chest. Pradeep, I'll play from my. Sorry, with the chord. That is what we do, read normally to the music. Start with 5 minutes in a day, just 5 minutes. Simply sit and breathe, don't do anything. Immediately within a few days you will start feeling a change happening within the system. You will feel more relaxed, more in touch with yourself. Automatically the mind which wavers so much and steals energy from all other organs of the body, you start relaxing. But we are living in the modern world where the excitement, the temptations of excitement are far too many, far too many. So the moment that we are able to relax with one thing, there's some temptation waiting. It's not so easy nowadays. So what do we do? My master taught us a set of 6 breathing exercises, which he called the refining exercises. Come from which he called the refining exercises. Just please at the back now. Practice it. Yes, what we should do actually now, because we will need to let go of the chairs, put these things down. All the people who can't sit on the floor, keep the chairs at the back and sit over there. All the young people can sit on the floor. We have these 2 chaddars. The practices will require you to let go of the chairs any which way. But everybody may not be able to sit down on the floor. So all those people can make 2-3 rows at the back. Let go of these chairs. The music goes ding, 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 ding. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Breathe in for 5 seconds. सांस लिया 3 सेकंड, छोड़ा 2 सेकंड. तो ये जो म्यूजिक चल रही है टिंग 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 टिंग. एक हाथ यहाँ पर रख देना, एक हाथ यहाँ पर. छाती पीठ दोनों में इक्वल श्वास चलनी चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 4 काउंट नहीं करना है. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. श्वास लो, छोड़ो. श्वास लो, छोड़ो. श्वास लो, छोड़ो. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Ding, 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 ding. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now sir, इधर आ जाइए. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5. Just see the space behind. The space नहीं है ना? Come here. Come behind me. 5, 6. 2, 3, 5, 6. Are you getting it? तो तुम लोग तो लेट आए. पकड़ में आ रहा है? Okay. जगह है बैठने के लिए. मैनेज कर पाएंगे उस जगह पे?
हाँ, yes.
हाँ? Okay. So you have to manage somehow.
We went to that side.
We waiting.
You don't know सेंटर वो बंद हो गया अभी यहाँ.
अभी वहाँ से आए.
अभी हर थर्ड फ्राइडे को यहाँ.
Third Friday.
लाइब्रेरी उधर फ्राइडे.
थर्ड फ्राइडे ऑफ एवरी मंथ.
फाउंटेन, फ्लोरा फाउंटेन. अभी निकल गए हम दूर से.
अच्छा.
वहाँ निकल.
Now we will learn the 6 breathing exercises. This was not an exercise. This is to be done throughout the day, all the time, to replace our current breathing. अभी जो सीखेंगे वो एक्सरसाइज है जो दिन में एक बार करना है मैक्सिमम 2 बार करना है। एक्सरसाइज सीखना है अभी, पहले जो था वो एक्सरसाइज नहीं है। 6 exercises which will work on different parts and organs of the body, making the system run to its optimum level. As I said, our experience is the only thing that we have to rely upon in the end. How you feel now, how you were when you came in, and how you will feel, let's say 30 minutes from now. Take an inner snapshot, an inner photograph, and you will be able to compare the difference. 6 exercises. The first one begins with the chest area. The rhythm is the same in the exercises. However, the rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. This is the rhythm. However, in the exercises, the speed of the rhythm changes. It becomes faster. Right now, what we were doing for the normal breath, breathing in at 12 cycles per minute. 5 seconds, 1 breath. Now we will breathe in at 36 cycles per minute. 3 times the speed. The volume will be also much more. As much as you can take. Your mind may tell you initially that, oh, I can't do so much, but that is just a trick of the mind. You can do a lot. We spoke about rhythm, technique, volume, right? The rhythm will be faster 3 times, volume will be as much as you can do, and technique is that we will work upon each part of the body in different ways. How? We will learn now. The first thing is at the chest. We keep both our hands on the chest area, both our hands, and we shall now breathe only in the chest, only in the chest. We will keep our shoulders at a regular point, not to exaggerate the movement of the shoulders like this, not to raise them, but to sit relaxed, however, straight, and breathe like this as if you are sitting in the center of your chest over here. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं और यहाँ से आप श्वास के जरिए, मसल के जरिए नहीं, प्लीज मार्क दैट, श्वास के जरिए you will push your chest out in this fashion. The muscle is not, the bone and the muscle is not moving the chest. The breath is moving the chest. Please mark, that is a very important difference. Am I getting through with the back, sir? Alright. What we'll do is practice without the music. It should be done with the music only, but for now we'll just practice breathing in deep and fast. Deep and fast, both simultaneously. I'll count for you. I'll say breathe in.
Breathe, it will go in the stomach also.
Both the child. You can't stop that. But your focus is here. You don't need to get too technical with it. Alright. I'll just say breathe in, breathe out, and do it accordingly. Chaliye. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 दोनों हाथ ऐसे रखिए. हाँ. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Okay, stop. Let's do it together. Let it be synchronized. Everybody should be the same rhythm. Chaliye. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe in. Very well synchronized. Except that don't close your eyes. आपको खुद ही रखेंगे ना, तो ये जो इतना अपने दिल में रहता है ना, थोड़ा वापस आ जाएगा. तो आपको अभी हाल फिलहाल आपको बंद मत करिएगा. यही चीज म्यूजिक पे करेंगे. चलिए. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6. No, stop. I did mention in the beginning that your mind will tell you that you can't do more than this. क्या बोलोगी चारों की?
19.
Very fast.
So I think all the other people will expect you to do the best. Right? सबसे छोटे तुम लोग ही है रूम में, तो सबसे ज़्यादा ताकत भी आप लोगों में होनी चाहिए ना? अच्छा, इनकी उम्र 55 है, आपसे 10 में ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं अभी राइट नाउ। 55 और 19 में कितना फर्क है? बहुत फर्क है।
31.
हाँ? तो मतलब तो आप उनसे ज़्यादा करना चाहिए, पहली बात तो। अच्छा, वो एक बात हो गई। दूसरा, don't slouch in your chest. You will not be able to experience the full benefit. I don't like the way you are slouching. Don't slouch in your chair. Just try to sit upright. Otherwise, you see the whole science of the human body.
Straight, fold is touching.
You are just resting on your back.
Yes. Acha, not to rest on
Not
the
to
back.
rest. Achha.
Exercising.
No.
I come from.
The science of the human body is only one. No matter what your religion, where you are born, what you do in life. शक्ति नीचे से ऊपर जानी है. The backbone is the same, the skeletal system, the muscles, the organs are the same for every human, no matter what you are. It's the same science for every human. Energy comes in at the bottom, tries to go to the top, succeeds only a little bit. Much of it is wasted by the time it gets to this point. Doesn't even get to this point because you are always in a state of irritation. You're always outside. All, no matter how calm you pretend to be on the outside. That is, you can't fool your own self. Now this science, because human beings, no matter who they are in the universe, they are the same. The science for them is the same, and the remedy to do something about their malady is also the same. This has to, the solution has to be the same as well. Now, whether you begin at the age of 7, 19 abhi ho gaya hai. My son began when he was 3 years of age. Okay, most children we teach them at the age of 7. Or whether you begin at the age of 70. One gentleman who comes to me is 90 years of age right now. He's been coming in the past few years and practicing right now. And comes from Kharghar. That's amazing. Okay. And he walks from the station. He takes a train. So much of energy. Now, the point is that if you are not going to put in your best here, then you will not realize the full benefits. Logical. So put in more effort. Right? Put in more effort. Do your best. We'll do it again. 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Very good. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Good one. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. Very good. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. You're doing it well now. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Good. Very good. थोड़ा तो ज़्यादा अच्छा हो गया पहले से. Second exercise करो. All the benefits of each and every exercise are not just physical. Physical is the least important. You'll be free of asthma and bronchitis. You will not have blockages in your heart. You will never have heart disease if you do it well. Of course, what is there in our destiny is there. So the master said, दुख तो सबको आता है. दुखी होना नहीं होना वो हमारे ऊपर है. दुख तो सबको आता है. किसको नहीं आता है? We all humans, सबको आना ही है. दुखी होना नहीं होना वो हमारे ऊपर है. So disease तो आएगा जिसका destiny में है वो है. Right? But if you do this well, अभी मैं अगर कहीं जाता हूँ नई जगह पे, तो तो मुझको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता है, मुझको लगता है शी नोज मोर देन आई डू, ही इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन आई एम, ही नोज मोर देन आई डू, ही इज एबल टू एक्सेल मोर देन आई एम एबल टू एक्सेल, स्पेशली फॉर द एज ऑफ 19 तो वो चिंता ज़्यादा होता है। जैसे हमारी दुनिया आज इतनी ज़्यादा कम्पिटिटिव हो गई है, असर यहाँ पे होता है छाती में, डिप्रेशन छाती में होता है। इस एरिया में पुराने ज़माने में बल की बात करते थे, छाती चौड़ी होनी चाहिए, फिजिकल छाती की कभी बात थी, हम लोग जिम में जाके फिजिकल छाती को चौड़ी करते हैं, उससे कोई बलवान नहीं बनता है, उससे बाहर से खाली छाती चौड़ी हो जाती है, मसल बड़े हो जाते हैं। डर के बारे में इंसान लोग जिम में जाके वेट उठा के कुछ नहीं कर सकते, डर तो डर होता है, उसको काम करना पड़ता है अंदर से। कैसे करेंगे? पहले एक्सरसाइज में छाती पे काम करेंगे, दोनों हाथ यहाँ पे रख दिया और पूरा पुश किया, बाहर अंदर दिया, पुश किया, सेंटर ऑफ द चेस्ट में ध्यान दिया, सेंटर ऑफ द चेस्ट में। That's why I told you keep both your hands like this, keep your attention on the breath going in and the breath going out, and put your maximum effort into pushing the center of your chest outwards. इससे क्या होगा? आपको बीमारी नहीं होगी, वो एक बात है, लेकिन कोई भी सिचुएशन में आपको कमी लगेगी नहीं अपने अंदर। You will never feel less than. You will not feel more than also. Not that you will start feeling superior. You will get on an equal level with everybody else. जैसे हम एक सिचुएशन में जाते हैं, अपना माइंड हर पल कोई भी इंसान से मिलता है तो तुलना करना शुरू कर देता है। You know what I mean by तुलना? Comparison. All the time we keep on comparing with the other person. Either we feel superior कि मेरे पास ज़्यादा है उससे, मेरी कमीज उसकी कमीज से ज़्यादा सफ़ेद है, या तो मेरी कमीज उसकी कमीज से कम सफ़ेद है। ये हमेशा चलता है और इस बुनियाद पर कम समझते हैं या ज़्यादा समझते हैं, इस बुनियाद पर हमारे एक्शंस निर्भर करते हैं। This is not the truth. This is simply our perception. But what can we do? That is how it happens. And nobody is free from it. You do this exercise, not only will your diseases be taken care of, but your confidence levels will rise so high. आपको कोई चीज की हासिल करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, आत्मा to be self-confident. You understand what I am saying? Today to be confident we think I need something. I need money, I need looks, I need knowledge, I need to excel. उसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। अपने आप अपने अंदर से, सेल्फ के ऊपर से, सेल्फ के अंदर से कैसे कॉन्फिडेंस अपने आप परिवर्तन आ जाएगा। रोज कर ये कॉन्फिडेंस और लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड डर गो हैंड इन हैंड। डर की एरिया ये एरिया वो एरिया है जहाँ पे मैक्सिमम बीमारी भी होती है, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गन्स आर इन दिस वन प्लेस। स्टमक तो सबको ज़्यादा करके इंडिजेशन का इशू होता है। After a certain point, most people have diabetes. Diabetes is a big thing, not a small thing. Or we have some or the other issues related to our lower abdomen, this upper abdomen and lower abdomen. Whether it is a pancreas issue, a kidney issue, gallbladder issue, intestinal issue, whatever the issue is, it's always to do with this area. We'll keep both our hands over here and we'll massage it from the inside the same way as we did with the chest area. अब दोनों हाथ यहाँ पे रखेंगे, 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 इस एरिया में करेंगे। हाँ? Check it. 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 थोड़ा और वॉल्यूम। Some of you are going ulta, like you are going ulta. You में श्वास लेंगे, बलून में एयर भरेंगे तो बलून एक्सपांड होगा कि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा?
एक्सपांड।
एक्सपांड होगा। लॉजिकल है। फिर से चेक करिए, मैं भी काउंट करता हूँ। अभी म्यूजिक को छोड़ देते हैं। 1 2 3 5 6। ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, 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 ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट। ओके, सेम थिंग टू द म्यूजिक नाउ। 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6. Don't move your body so much, but relax body. 1 2 3 5 6, ting 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 ting. 1 2 3 5 6, 2 3. More volume. 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6. Okay, good. सर आप जर्क करके सांस ले रहे हैं, कट 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 में इंस्ट्रूमेंट में कट कट कट, सिंगल सांस। तीसरी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। तीसरी एक्सरसाइज में आप प्रदीप को देख लीजिए कैसे करते हैं। जस्ट सी फ्रॉम द बैक ओवर हियर बिकॉज ही हैज टू सिट ऑन द फ्लोर टू डू दिस। इट कांट बी डन इन योर चेयर्स। Stretch your legs in front of you. You hold your toes and you look straight and breathe in the chest and the stomach both. पहले छाती पे सांस लिया, फिर पेट में लिया, अब छाती पेट दोनों में साथ में लेंगे। टोस को होल्ड किया, स्ट्रेट नहीं रखा है, नीज को बेंड मत करना बिल्कुल, और स्ट्रेट देखकर 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6. Simple. Both stomach and the chest now. Simple मैंने बोल दिया, लेकिन सबके टच नहीं करेंगे, टोस पे हाथ टच नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज जरा करके सब लोग देखिए, कितने की जहाँ पे भी पहुँच सकते हैं ना उधर पहुँच लीजिएगा। नीज को स्ट्रेट रखना, नीज को बेंड मत करना, बिल्कुल बेंड मत करना। नो, डोंट बेंड द नीज मैडम। नो नो, इट्स ओके। सो यू होल्ड व्हेरेवर यू कैन मैडम। होल्ड द नीज, डजंट मैटर। जहाँ पे भी हाथ पहुँचता है उधर हाथ को, उधर पैरों को पकड़ लीजिएगा, जहाँ पे भी हाथ पहुँचता है। अच्छा, you are not able to reach your toes, hold your ankles. नहीं, hold your ankle को पकड़ लो। ये वो तो नीज हो गया ना। हाँ, यहाँ पे पकड़ लो, करेक्ट, इधर पकड़ लो। जहाँ पे पकड़ सकते हो ना, नीज को बेंड किए बिना वहाँ पे पकड़ लो। अभी कुछ जादू करता हूँ तो थोड़ी देर में हाथ वहाँ तक आ जाएगा। अभी कुछ करता हूँ, लेकिन पहले जहाँ पे है अपनी सच्चाई, क्या यहाँ पर है, ठीक है, अपनी सच्चाई को स्वीकार करते हैं।
Breath it should be slow,
हाँ जी।
less volume or
नहीं, more volume, same.
more volume.
हाँ, this is the exercise is going on right now. Very straight. हाँ, कुछ करता हूँ ना अभी। Do something. हाँ, अच्छा, all the guys in the chairs, just bend down a little bit like this for now, but do it at home the way that they are doing it. हाँ, अच्छा, look straight and same thing. Hold wherever you can. Don't keep your hands in the air. Huh? Don't do that. चलिए, 1 2 3 5 6, 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 5 6. You to hold it, not touch it. हाँ, आंगुठों से पकड़ लेना उसको। 1 2 3 5 6, 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6. To hold your toes. 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6. बहुत तकलीफ हो गई ना, बैक का तकलीफ हो गया। हमको पता चलता है हमारी अंदरूनी हालत क्या है। अच्छा, हाँ, even the legs, yeah. अभी कुछ करता हूँ तो फिर आप बोलेंगे अरे इतनी जल्दी इतना आराम कैसे आ गया? थोड़ा सा जादू कर लेते हैं। चौथी एक्सरसाइज करते हैं। ये तीसरी एक्सरसाइज में फर्क आने के लिए गो बैक टू सिटिंग क्रॉस लेगेड, गो बैक टू हाउ यू वर, बल्कि मान के फिर से बैठ जाइए।
The third exercise is for what disease?
Now, as I said earlier, energy has to go from down to up. But all of it doesn't go up. Why? It's because our backbone is clogged. This is the pipeline of the body. For water to flow smoothly in your society, your pipeline has to be free for all the water to come to your tap properly, right? But this is clogged. The reason is two things. How when somebody massages our back, तो हम कहते हैं कितना आराम मिला, जरा और करो, right? ऐसे ही करते हैं ना? उसका दो कारण है क्यों आराम मिलता है। कोई मसाज करता है हमारी बैक को, बैकबोन के एक तरफ गुस्से का एसिड भर जाता है, दूसरी तरफ जेलसी। ये जो constantly we keep comparing ourselves with the other person all the time, what do? We either get angry because I don't have that, and we get jealous, no? It's a constant process, and we are always irritated all the time. Our backbone is clogged. जो दर्द करता है, दर्द क्यों करता है? Why should it pain? It's illogical. Why should it pain? You're not doing something to you hit your back every day, yet it hurts. Why? Yet when somebody massages, it feels nice. Why? Because every moment that we are comparing ourselves, we keep on focusing on the outside, a drop of acid goes on in the inside. I say, I don't like you. Yes.
When we have the attitude to understand it is all in the karmas, then we neither feel jealous nor we feel angry.
But we are lesser mortals, that is why we are sitting here to learn all this.
But
You know all this, madam. But people like me we don't understand so much. So
when
we
the
have to
attitude
practice.
changes, it's not that way.
That's what I said. Our attitudes have to change, so we are practicing all this.
Much.
Right? Acha. This, you massage your back. Now what happens because of anger? What happens because of the acid? The backbone is made up of what we see, the vertebra. At the same time, there's something else inside. We don't see energy going up. The bone, the muscle, there's something else. There's a small pipeline inside that we can't see. But it is there. Trust me, it's there. I say, I don't like you. And so after some years, my knees begin to hurt. I can't climb up the stairs. Huh? My joints, my bones begin to hurt. My attitude is, तुम क्या समझते हो अपने आप को? वो क्या इतना बात करता है? The moment I say, तुम क्या समझते हो अपने आप को? My joints hurt. Right? My joints hurt. My bones hurt. My calcium goes down. I lose my calcium. I lose vitamin D. There is one part of the body, in the entire body, that is the only part which is named after the sun in the English language. Which part is that? Solar plexus. Right? Solar plexus. यहाँ पर है solar plexus. कोई भी बॉडी का दूसरा पार्ट सन के कनेक्शन पे नाम उसका नहीं दिया गया है. सोलर प्लेक्सस. हमारे महाभारत में, Mahabharata is not a Hindu scripture. Don't take it to be a religious Hindu scripture. It is not a religious thing at all. It is the science of life, the manual of life. आप कुछ भी खरीदते हो तो साथ में आता है ना मैनुअल, हाउ टू यूज इट, कौन सा बटन दबाने का तो क्या होगा. पैदा होने के बाद में किसी ने दिया मैनुअल? जो चल रहा है हम लोग उसी को कॉपी करके अपने आप को ज़्यादा स्मार्ट समझते हैं. जो चल रहा है वो उसको कॉपी करके हाउ कैन यू बी स्मार्टर? इट्स ऑलरेडी देयर. इट्स इलॉजिकल. Nobody gave the manual of life. The Bible or the Mahabharata are the manuals of life. Each and every part of the human science is in that. The solar plexus just the way I was telling you earlier, that the state of blindness, the state of denial is called Dhritarashtra in the Mahabharata. Dhrit, the one who is adamant, will never listen to anybody. Holding on, छोड़ता ही नहीं है. Dhrit. Dhrit word मानो? Dhrit. Dhrit. Holding on. Rashtra. Rashtra मतलब मानो area. Which is the area? This is the area, not some outside land called Bharat. This is the Bharat. Karna. The firstborn of firstborn. इसको छोड़ दिया पानी में डाल. Firstborn. He is what is called self-pity within us. We are all in a sense of becharapan. We all have a desire to become better, stronger, faster, sharper, something more. Because we are never happy with what we are. Automatic है, ये कोई हमने choose नहीं किया. हमने choose नहीं किया universe के बाहर खड़े रह के एक दिन अच्छा ठीक है, I'll take birth now, I'll go to planet Earth, I'll take birth, my name will be so and so, and I will choose my parents, and my life will be like this. हमने choose नहीं किया, automatic चल रहा है. एक हाथ में choose किया है, but वो कभी और बात करें. Automatic चल रहा है. Self pity में रहते हैं हर पल, एक बेचारापन रहता है. थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा मार लग गई जीवन से तो रोना शुरू कर डालते हैं. मार सहन नहीं कर सकते. जीवन का दर्द हमने से हैंडल नहीं होता. And we keep on blaming somebody else. If my father had not to put me in this college, then I would have been so smart. अगर मेरी शादी इस लड़की से नहीं होती थी तो मेरे पिछले 30 साल कितने अच्छे गुजरते थे. हाँ? They're always blaming someone. If I had not to live here, if I had to get a job there, if only something else had to happen. This is the self-pity within us. This works over here, but affects the body in the deepest manner possible. He's got 3 friends who work with him and who seem to be far more powerful than he is, but that is not the reality. He's the most powerful. His 3 friends in order of strength are Duryodhan, Dushasan and Shakuni. Duryodhan is the anger in the backbone. Anger. सुई के ऊपर की जगह जितनी है उतनी भी मैं पांडव को नहीं दूंगा. I want everything for myself. Indiscipline. Dushasan. Dush meaning bad. Asan meaning discipline. Duryodhan. Do, which is a very powerful thing. So this Yodhan, which cannot be defeated. He cannot be defeated. He's all powerful. He cannot be defeated. And Shakuni. Cunningness within us. Cunningness. You're all trying to grab something from the outside. All the time. हमको लगता है हमारी खुशी निर्भर है कोई बाहर की चीज. हमेशा हम बाहर को बदली करते हैं. गर्म लगता है तो फैन चालू करते हैं. गर्मी तो अंदर होती है. एक रूम में 2 जन बैठे, एक को ठंड लगती है, एक को गर्मी लगती है. Who's to blame? The climate or something is wrong with me? But we say क्या गर्मी हो गई है आजकल, फैन चालू कर. तो बाजू वाले को लगती नहीं. But we don't even think about all this. We don't even think. We just react. We say put the fan on. We don't think कि यहाँ पे कुछ बदली करने की बात है. ये जो third exercise है, it will act like a vacuum. So pumping action आता ना. You hold your toes and you breathe in both the stomach and the chest, and what will happen is your backbone will clear up. The moment your backbone clears up, whatever you want will happen. Whatever you want will happen. Of course, you will not want all these things also, वो अलग बात है. But whatever you desire, it will happen immediately, because the energy will go in instant from below to up, down to up. अभी सबके पैर पे तो टोस पे हाथ नहीं पहुंच रहे. तो अभी ये करने के लिए जो मैंने जादू की बात की, तो चौथी एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. लेकिन कंडीशन वही है, पूरा दम लगा के करना. अभी चौथी एक्सरसाइज में आप प्रदीप को देखिए कैसे करते हैं. 5 बार नाक से शॉर्ट बर्स्ट ऑफ एयर लेंगे अंदर और एक बार मुंह से जोर से फेंक देंगे. देखिए. साथ में करें. चलिए. And what is he doing? 10 times.
Standing or
No, he's standing to show you.